Okay, you guys, welcome to the MEG replication project. I'm going to replicate the motionless electromagnetic generator patented by Thomas Bearden. This is a over Unity device, and I've only seen one person try and replicate this, J.L. Nauden from France. And basically I'm going to go off of some of his schematics to build this replication. I'm also going to do some different things by trying some different input and output coils to see what I get. So this is a 2018-2019 project. Basically this year I've spent just acquiring the parts that I need, designing the bobbins. I'm going to 3D print all these bobbins to put on the C core here. So I've got different sizes I'm going to test out. Yeah, so basically, here's what I'm following. We have a really good set of diagrams here. Basically, I ordered the AMCC 320 amorphous C core, very special type of transformer core. And we're going to have some thin wire, which is right here, wrapped around these small bobbins for the input coils. Then we're going to have a little bit thicker wire here. Or sorry, I have that reversed. We're going to do the thicker wire on the smaller input bobbin. And we're going to do this thinner wire, a lot more turns of it, around the output bobbin right there. So this is the diagram right here. Let's see if I can get the reflection off. Yeah, there we go. So here's the circuit. You have to use this special amp, the TL494. And I have those. So basically what I've done is I've built this circuit on this breadboard. I'm going to take it into the university, test it out. But before I do that, I'm going to get my coils 3D printed and wound. So I'm going to wind these bobbins. But let me show you the C core. This is this is probably the coolest thing here. So what happens in this experiment is we have this amorphous C core. And you can see here up close, here that it is laminated, and it's microns thick laminations. So there's really no eddy currents, and the losses are really reduced. So the experiment with this, what happens here is there is a magnet in between the two sides of the C core here. So basically I found some magnets that would fit inside here, and when I was putting these in here, you can feel the power of the magnets. And then these small ones, as I was sliding them in, I would put one close and it would go, just suck it in, suck it in. And now, I mean, this is super magnetized. You cannot pull this straight apart to separate it. The only way you can get it apart is to twist it. Get it apart. Now, I wanted to test this C core without the magnets in there, but I have had the hardest time. I cannot get these out of here. These will not come out. So I'm probably just going to leave them in there. But basically, here's what happens with our bobbins. So we're going to have this one wound. It's going to be on the top. It's our input coil. We're going to have another one down here. This is going to be our output coil. And these magnets will be in the middle. And they'll go straight in the center there.